Hello everybody, I am located here in Zanesville at the Dollar General. I've been instructed to put it in door 159. I've been live unloaded. They said that, you know, they would usually normally unload me or be a drop and hook here, but they don't have any empties for me, so they decided to go ahead and live unload me. They said to okay, so they said they wanted me to follow the fence. And that's what we're gonna do here. It says 159 or 159 is earlier. Of course, we could go to the door instead, but we're gonna go this way. It said, like I said, to follow the doors or follow the fence around the building. So that's what we're gonna do. And honestly, though, I'm just following the arrow. It told me to go this way, so that's what we will do. This does seem pretty simple enough. They want me to disconnect, move tandems or anything. I'm hoping they unload me kind of fast there. I still do have 7 hours and 33 minutes left of driving here. And that's just it, pretty much. Okay. I think I have to go this way because I can't even follow their own rules.
Like 3 miles ahead, turn right, then turn right.
Okay, we're going in where that driver just left. I'll flip around here. I'm gonna go over there so I can get a good line up with this. I think before we do that, let's go ahead and go open the doors. Let's put this in that. I finally bought some gloves. Yay! Oh, this is going to be stubborn here today. There it goes. looks like we have like laundry detergent and paper towels. Oh, and that doesn't fall. This trailer's kind of broken. I went up the stairs. Keep an eye on that door. Sure, it doesn't open back open.
Turn left. Turn right.
That's where we need to go.
Like 1 mile is ahead. Turn right.
This is interesting. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna wait to get unloaded and I'll be right back with you guys. Hello everybody. Again, the green light, I am unloaded. I think I've been here before. I don't wanna, I can't really confirm anything right now, but I'm pretty sure I have been here.
Like 3 miles ahead. Turn
Need to
left.
go ahead and close my doors really fast. I could have sworn I was going to have to pay a lumper, but I did it. Ooh, that door just took off. my next load here doesn't pick up until tomorrow. Let's see if they have any like hours or anything like that. Not really seeing anything. Let's see if that'll take me early. Oh, it's about an hour away, so yeah, if they can take me early, that would be awesome. Because that means I can go home early. I'll be able to come home tonight. Because I got 7 hours left in the, I don't know, about 4 hours for the Indianapolis terminal where I need to go, so we'll see.
Turn right. Then turn left.
I don't know why they do that. These guys park here. Those bobtails like that. There's plenty of spaces through here. Including this guy over here.
Turn left on East Point Drive.
Do some stupid crap because this douchebag is in the way. Alright. I'll get myself situated here. Need to make sure my Bluetooth is connected before I hit the road here. And it's not. Okay, now it is. So while I'm driving, I can listen to music. So yeah, the loads that I went to fuel here, I would much prefer not to have to go back there again. Simply because it's a mess. They're doing a remodel on it, and I tried to take the shower, and it took a really long time because they only had 2 showers operating, and I don't know, it's just a mess. Also, another thing is, I've sort of learned that my allergies are not too fond of dust very well. So, of course, when work is being done like that, there's going to be dust and everything like that. And so I try to avoid places like that because my allergies just hate me. Kind of speak of right now, I feel like I had to sneeze. Dang it. Wow, the sun is bright. I'm having to pull it on the sun visor. You guys aren't going to be able to see anything. very happy I got out of that situation up there, and I think it was like Cleonville, Ohio there. So happy I got out of that. Obviously it's been down here, but now we have clear blue skies and sunshine. Still pretty freaking cold though. To say that, it's like 34 degrees. That's quite a bit of a wind chill too. You know, we're kind of being on a road like this and whatnot. Personally, for me, when it came to like CDL training and stuff like that, I was trained on roads like these. I got trained in Kingsburg, Colorado. Literally a town in the middle of freaking nowhere. So there's plenty of roads like this. And honestly though, I think, you know, everybody should be taught how to drive on a road like this in a big truck.